Hi everyone, so this is my vanity tour and this video was highly requested. Thank you for mentioning this and I am here to share with you how I organize everything. So I have my vanity in my room, so my bed is here and then my wardrobe is here. I'll do a part 2 about my wardrobe and how I store my Chanel bags and then my shoes as well and how all of my clothes are organized. But for now I'll share with you my beauty items such as my skincare and my makeup. Apologies for the ring light and you can see the camera right here. You can see that I have a nice large pebble mirror and I just attached some LED lights around the back of it and then I attached it and plugged it in, and that gives that nice yellow outline to the whole setup. Paired with that lighting, I have my salt lamp here just to give some good energy, and it's just a nice mood light, to be honest, in my room because I do love to have some more mood lighting, something a little bit softer. I keep all of my regular skincare items. I also have this nice decoration here where it's just a really cheap vase that I got from the IKEA bargain corner. Something minimalistic and it just makes it really fresh looking, and then I have some fake flowers in here if I don't have real flowers today. My usual skincare, I have a lot of Laneige items. I always go back to Laneige skincare because it's something that just works for my skin. And then I have my Centella Ampule from Skin 1004. This one works wonders for calming the skin. And one of the most beautiful products I have is the Delba Spray Serum because it's so refreshing and really moisturizing at the same time. Then I have all of my Miss Dior perfumes. So I have quite a few because I am a bit of a collector and I love the Miss Dior scent. And every time they come out with a different scent, other than the Blooming Bouquet, which is something that I didn't really buy, I have the Miss Dior Rose and Roses, the original formulation but in the more updated way, and it has this nice ribbon on there. And then I have the older version of that, which I think they discontinued, and I wish they brought it back because this one is such a rich scent and I love this one. It's more of a richer version of what you currently have. And then here I have a nice little leaf where I like to keep some jewelry that I commonly use. So I have these nice little pearly earrings and then also this Lindy's bracelet. And then at the back I have a brush holder, and this one is actually one of them VIP gifts from Dior, and this is a really cute one. It feels like you're at a Dior makeup counter, and all of that is kept into this nice tray. Just got this from Amazon and it's just a really cheap one. It's got this mirror design. I love the gold detailing. It just pulls the whole look together. Then I have my Dior vanity case and it just keeps my most used and regular items in here. This is the pink canage pattern and I love it, and then I just protect the top with a twilly scarf, and it also adds that nice cute touch. And inside it's mostly makeup items, and I have a whole video on what's inside my vanity case. Not much has changed. And if you look inside, quite jam-packed full of everything that I use. I am quite an on-the-go person, and if I need to get out of the house and I need to stay somewhere else, I will just literally grab all of this and then I'll put all of my skincare in a bag. I'm off to go. Then on the other side, I have these beautiful roses, and these are the Eternal Roses. Look how beautiful these are. I just love how vibrant the red is, and then the gold just adds that nice extra pop. This one is from Eternal Petals, but this was actually a gift for my birthday from my boyfriend, and it says happy birthday on theirs. It just adds a beautiful touch to my vanity table. And then here I have these little trinket trays. These are also a gift from Dior. So I have 3 of them and I use them to keep my little rocks. I have my rose heartstone, I have my hematite, and then I have this peacock, and then I have a amethyst, and it's still purple. So that is the top overview of my vanity table. Now I'm going into the first drawer. So in here, on the top drawer, I keep all of my beauty items. And this is the overview of my drawer. I keep everything organized in these little boxes, and these are from IKEA. I think their name is called Scub. But here I keep a lot of my open skincare, and things that I've opened is stuff like my shower gel, which I have just recently bought, and then this Aquamarina, and then I have my orange body scrub, and then I have my 2 really loved Laneige sleeping packs. my Mix Soon products. This hair serum from Curly Show, this one's amazing. I highly recommend this one if you want to have that nice straightened look, especially when it starts fraying. This one really solves the problem, and it's not that oily texture, it's just really hydrating for the hair. And then I have my Centella serum, and then my usual makeup removers like Clean It Zero, and to remove my eye makeup I have a Bifacil cleanser. And then over at the top I have just unopened skincare. So I have them all in their boxes. So I have a lot of Dauber masks, some body lotions, and then this whole bag is just hand sanitizers. There's so many of them. And then I have some more Dior skincare in there. And then in this middle section I have a random hairbrush because I don't know where to put it. And then I have here my face mask. So I have my sheet mask. Oh, this one is a spot treatment. You just put it on your spot and it just sucks everything out, and it's just magical. Got some charcoal mask, more spot treatment. These are some of my favorite masks actually. These jelly ones, they literally fill your whole face with serum and your body. So lots of serum in there is amazing. I've not really tried this mask, but it was highly raved in Hong Kong. So I also have some Laneige pore packs, so it's more like a clay mask. And then I have a mugwort clay mask. This one's pretty good as well. This one actually draws everything out, but it's also very calming for the skin. And then I just keep my cotton rounds here. And then I have my more reusable cotton rounds in this Dior pouch. And then here I have my miniatures. So I keep all of my miniatures, which are really good for traveling. So I have my more sachet ones and more deluxe size ones. And then over here, that's where I keep all of my makeup. So I have some of my BB cushions in here from Laneige. This one is a very nice glowy one, and this is my favorite, which I am always using. This is the matte version of it. Then I have a Silwasu one, which is very glowy. And then I have my Dior blushes in here. So I have like nice Dior palettes. I've got the face one for highlights, these eyeshadow ones. I really like this rosy one. Dior blushes. This palette, it's such a beautiful palette. I've barely used it because it's not very pigmented and it's just not very easy to use, but I just love the packaging. And then I have another palette. This one's from Pony Park, and this is the Tarot Card edition. I love this shade. Also from the same range, and this one is like a beautiful cool toned bluey pink highlight. And then I have my eye makeup in here. So I've got my mascaras, eyeliners, glitter liners, eyebrow pencils. Got my foundations in here, and then all my lip colors. So I have a lot of Dior lipsticks, and I have been using a lot of these lip tints recently. And this one's from 3 Concept Eyes, and then this one's from Etude House. I have more in my vanity case because they are usually my go-to. Then at the back we have some miscellaneous things like beauty cloths, shaver heads, and then eyelashes. And then on the back, it's quite difficult to get out, but I have some more perfumes in here. So this is just a smaller version. It looks so miniature compared to my big version. But I love the Miss Dior perfume, so I always have that. I have a few Anna Sui perfumes in there, some Diptyque, and just a range of different perfumes that I keep going through. And then on my lower drawer, it's a little bit more miscellaneous. There's not that much interesting in here. I just have this Dauber spray serum, which is unopened because it's so pretty and I want to do a nice filming session with it. I have some more makeup bags in here, some hairspray, some spare cotton rounds. These are like my medicines and miscellaneous stuff, so not very interesting. I have my travel pouch where I have my chargers for my toothbrush. And then here I have loads of my makeup brushes, and I just keep it in this mermaid pouch, which is kind of cute. And then my more travel pouch, I have some more makeup brushes. This is also the Little Mermaid themed, and I love the colorway. It's just so pretty. It's from Spectrum brushes if you want to know. Then I have just another empty makeup bag, also from Dior. Dior always gives me lots of makeup pouches, so I use them all to organize all of my little knickknacks everywhere. Then I have this Innisfree box, and this is actually where I keep my sunglasses. And before I used to wear glasses, So these were my old glasses, if you remember. I don't wear glasses anymore because I just had laser eye surgery last year and it went so well, and I don't need to use them, but I don't know where to put them anymore. I do have some really nice sunglasses here. So these are some of my favorite ones. Look how intricate this rose gold one is. That is everything in this drawer. And then the lower drawers are more of my clothing items, so more of my underwear and then my sports clothing, so not that interesting. So if you want to check out more of my beauty videos or my lookbooks, then click over here and I'll see you there. Bye!